Hello everyone, and welcome aboard. My name is Lucas, and today we're playing some One Night Ultimate Werewolf, a deception-based game that revolves around two phases, a night and a day phase. During the night phase, the players will take several different roles. These will be explained more down in the description. And during the day phase is discussion time, where the villagers will look to find who the werewolves are, and eventually a vote will be cast at the end to find out who will be killed. If a werewolf is killed, the villagers win. If no werewolves are killed, they win. Alright, that's about all you need to know for now. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Everyone,
I'll probably get off the table.
close your eyes. Werewolves, wake up and look for other werewolves. If there is only one werewolf, you may look at a card from the center. Robber, wake up. You may exchange your card with another player's card, and then view your new card. Drunk, wake up and exchange your card with a card from the center. Drunk, close your eyes. Insomniac, wake up and look at your card. Insomniac, close your eyes. Everyone, keep your eyes closed and reach out and move your card around slightly.
I'll do this.
Wait, what? What the fuck?
I know.
Yeah, let Lucas do that for
Everyone.
us, so we're not all
Wake up.
Alright, sit down.
wakey. Close my eyes.
I got so dizzy.
Yeah, I thought I could see as well.
I'm villager.
I might clear two people.
I'm also the villager.
One being myself.
Really?
I
But I'm
was
the only guy in the village.
the robber.
You were the robber?
Yep. I swapped with Josh, who was the drunk.
Is that true? Were you the drunk? Am I supposed to tell her? I can't remember. Do I tell
Or
you?
were you the drunk?
Yeah, except you'll.
Because
I go before you, so you've swapped your card with one in the middle, and you don't know what one that is.
You're meant to lie and just be like, yeah, I'm the drunk.
Wait, how do you know if he's the drunk?
I am the drunk.
If he swapped out
Because you
a
lie,
card?
do you
No,
lie
'cause
in this
I-
game?
I went first,
didn't
and
lie.
I
Okay,
swapped
so you
and saw
went
that he
first.
was the drunk, so
We're trying,
I'm
like,
now
to
the
convince
drunk,
them
but
that
he
you're not.
had to swap the robber with one of the
So
cards
did
in
you
the middle.
swap
So
cards?
where did you put it?
I didn't swap cards.
What was the last bit that
Yeah.
we said that we all had to do it?
Oh, no, I just had to move the cards around so that, like, just in case
Right,
you
so
knew
Josh
your
is
card
now
was
something that no one knows.
Oh, put
unless
them
the
back
Seer
into where
managed
they're
to
supposed to
check
go.
that card.
Yeah.
So, does anyone else want to clear themselves? Or?
Wait, what was I supposed to do? I'm the
I am-
insomniac.
So you
Oh,
just
so-
wake up at the end. So were you still the insomniac at the end?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you,
Right, so you're.
did you do your job though?
I just looked at my card.
Yeah,
Right
that's,
at the end.
that's all
Yeah.
you did.
Yes. Okay. And you were still the insomniac.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I was Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2 because it's made by Insomniac.
Okay. So
So can I still clear myself?
what were
Yeah.
The villager.
you were the
I bet I'm the villager.
There's two.
Oh, there's another
There's
villager.
two.
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, grab
So
the
do I
tile
grab
if
the
you think
tile?
you're the villager.
Straight up.
No, this was mine.
That's the tenor that wants to die. Yeah.
Whose is Lucas?
So-
What were you?
Was anyone the seer? Because I wasn't the seer.
Keith was the
So
seer.
okay.
wasn't
No, I was the robber and swapped with
okay,
Josh, who was the drunk.
he? So what were you,
So-
Lucas?
Jess was reading the thing, so I assume that Jess is someone that does
So
something.
I think Lucas has put himself as the werewolf.
Oh shit! No.
Nah, Lucas is the tenor. Do not kill him. Don't kill Lucas.
Lucas is definitely the werewolf.
No, why is that there? What
No,
about
I'm
this
not
one?
the robber.
All I'm saying is purple sus.
Yeah,
No,
Lucas
that's
is,
not there.
Lucas
That's
is
not
sus.
there.
Lucas is Tanner, he's fucking.
Nah, I reckon it's a werewolf tactic, and he's going overboard because of it now.
That's not there because
He's
I gave that to
metagaming.
Josh and took the drug
so-
from him, and then he said that he swapped that
Because he was the drunk.
with that,
Yeah.
but he
If-
doesn't get
if
to
I
see what
may.
it
So-
is.
Blake,
So he does. That's why I'm like thinking there's a spare one in
Blake,
here.
if you're the villager,
Yeah.
what is your task?
Well, the robber's definitely there.
I don't know,
according
The
to
robber's
Josh.
definitely there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Villager's
it's a
the-
level.
Jess, what do you think you were?
Yeah.
What were you? She's been very quiet.
Werewolf.
She's on the second page. What's on that second?
Mason, Seer, Troublemaker, and Robert. She's not
So-
the Robert because I was.
so
She's
is the
either
Troublemaker
Seer
or the Seer?
Troublemaker?
Did you wake
They're
up?
both good cards. Like, you won't get voted.
Whoever
for
the
that.
werewolf was,
Just
who
what
was
were
the other
you?
one?
Troublemaker.
Right,
No, because
so
then
who
we
did you
lose.
swap?
Oh shit. So then
What
you.
cards?
Now I
did you
think
swap?
I
Lucas
can't
is the
remember which
tanner.
ones I swapped. I wasn't paying
Is either
attention.
the tanner or a
So you didn't swap any. You were the
Maybe I'm
troublemaker, but you
right.
didn't swap anyone.
I did
She
swap.
swapped, but she can't remember who.
Oh, you did swap. Okay.
Well, it wasn't me because I was still the Insomniac when I woke up.
There's so much sus in this game.
So I reckon the Seer was in the middle.
Yeah, because no one's claimed that yet.
Wait, so what happens if we don't figure this out?
Yeah. So we
werewolves
vote
win.
for
We all
no.
die.
We vote for
We
someone
have to
at once.
vote. Yeah,
that's
when
it?
the timer runs out.
Oh, that's it. That's a whole game done.
You have to vote.
Oh.
One
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like how you go through. So ultimately,
It's
It is,
very
it is a
simple.
So Jess, what were you again, sorry?
she was a
Troublemaker.
troublemaker.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking Jess. What were you?
Troublemaker.
Women can speak.
I refuse to believe that Luke was a villager.
Why?
I don't know.
I was the first person to
Yeah.
come out and say, I'm villager.
Yeah,
I
because
don't
none of
know.
the other cards were taken.
Yeah, but look, if I was werewolf,
But I
I would
had
say
a,
villager too.
like, surely,
'Cause that's the one
I-
thing
and
I
I
do.
also thought there was only
We
one
have
villager.
30 seconds
We have
left.
30 seconds.
Do you know why I know Luke wasn't a villager?
And
Do you know? Because I was the Seer.
that's a load of shit. He's definitely, no, 100%. He's either Tanner or werewolf then.
Nah, werewolf.
I'm
Werewolf.
I was a
100%.
Seer. I looked at him. He
You're
was a
a fucking-
werewolf.
I'm
You're a
100%.
tanner.
He was
I'm
the werewolf.
100% villager, so he's either
I
Tanner or
believe
werewolf.
Luke. I believe Luke.
Yeah, I believe Luke.
I reckon that.
I'm guessing.
I don't know. Luke,
Nah, that's
Luke was
alright, that's
100% the werewolf.
Lucas doesn't
is
seem
very
to
sus.
fucking lie in this.
Time is up, everyone. 3, 2, 1. Vote.
Who's got it?
So
Luke.
Luke's dead.
Luke's dead.
Luke's dead.
What is he? Remember, Jess could have.
Oh, he was a villager. Let's see who's alive. Blake's alive.
Oh, the Turner! Oh, Blake won.
See, I would have been
No,
throwing more
let's
shade
see.
on Blake, but I knew he was the werewolf already, so I didn't want to.
Oh, Jess.
I thought it might have been. That's why I voted for you. Oh no, sorry, I voted for Blake because I knew 100% he was.
So what? So you ended up with the troublemaker, Josh.
Apparently.
Yeah.
Yes.
Josh is 100% a werewolf.
Everyone, close your eyes. Werewolves, wake up and look for other werewolves. If there is only one werewolf, you may look at a card from the center. Seer, wake up. You may look at another player's card, or two of the center
Keith
cards.
bumped me. Keith bumped me, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Shared knowledge.
Seer,
Josh just touched
close
my
your
hand.
Is that okay?
Robber,
Luke put his
Wake
finger
up.
on my butthole.
you may exchange
That wasn't
your
today,
card with another player's card.
Robert, do your
Is
job.
all like this shit gonna be edited out?
No.
Drunk, wake up and exchange your card with a card from the center.
What I could do is actually just cut out like the whole like night phase.
Drunk,
And
Close your
I
eyes.
actually know like who's
Insomniac,
Okay, don't talk during the jobs
wake
because
up
you move,
and look
remember?
at your card.
Insomniac that was.
Insomniac, close your eyes.
Do I open my eyes?
Not yet.
Everyone,
Might have been open for about 10 seconds.
Yeah, it might have been
Yeah.
Dozer, yeah.
Do I open my eyes?
Yeah, you can see.
I'm Insomniac. No one take that off me.
I actually think he was because I could have sworn I heard him go.
that's why I like.
breathed
Oh,
out.
we don't look at our cards, do we?
No.
I do.
So try not to talk during the
Yeah,
normal
like-
phase because
Yeah.
Keith's really bad at it. He'll talk and he'll be moving while he's doing his
I
job.
was the announcer when I was doing
Yeah,
that.
but
I
you were
was like,
talking then.
alright,
Yeah.
troublemaker, let's do that.
Lucas is a
I was
werewolf.
the most pointless of characters.
So you
So
claiming villager again?
yeah.
Well,
Was anyone the Seer? The Seer can tell us a bit of information.
Yeah, where is Shia LaBeouf?
I call bullshit on Luke because I'm villager. Oh no,
That's
this is not.
villager, yes.
I thought so.
I was also a villager.
I still call bullshit on Luke.
Yeah, Luke tends to claim villager a lot.
Literally twice. We played 2 games.
We've only played
That's
2 games.
Yeah.
In both games you claimed it.
Yeah.
So, right-
you've also claimed villager both times.
Exactly.
And
No,
you were
no, I
werewolf.
haven't.
You just said you were villager.
RJK.
So right now we're saying
No
the
one was the
Seer is
Seer.
in the middle
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
because
No
no
one's claimed
one's claimed the Seer.
So who's werewolf? I know, but I'm hoping one day.
Just how do you spell werewolf?
Oh,
That was good with
yeah,
Daddy.
you can
James.
walk
Yeah.
out with it too, if you like.
What?
If you want footage from like that, I can record on my phone.
No, it's we're filming
Oh,
it there.
yeah, fair. It'll just look better than a glary phone.
I was like, what are these sounds?
Do we? Tanner. We're saying Tanner's in the middle because he's not gonna. I'm just putting all the ones that no one's gonna admit to. Is anyone admitting to be the troublemaker?
Does anyone want to admit what they are right now before we
Yeah.
go through all this?
I want to wait.
No, I want to know. What do you keep?
I was the robber again.
And who'd you rob?
Yeah.
I'm saving it in case someone's lying because I actually know
Right.
what they were.
So Blake, what are you?
Oh,
Werewolf. Okay.
troublemaker. So you're again Blake's a werewolf.
I'm not the.
Are you a werewolf?
I'm not the werewolf.
I wish.
Right.
Look me in the eye. Tell me
I
again.
promise you, I'm not the werewolf.
Well, I have to kill you.
No, you didn't.
Josh
have to
is
kill me, I'm not the
claiming
werewolf.
drunk, but always
I don't
drunk.
believe it.
Well, who did you
crawling
swap
home
in the
again.
middle then?
Yeah, well then
Josh is the werewolf.
the drunk doesn't know, so
That
he
one
swapped
again?
with this
Alright,
one.
so
Josh
the
is
drunk
definitely
on
the
the
werewolf.
middle.
So you're saying that's the drunk.
What's that?
You're the
Yeah.
werewolf. I'm not the. No, Josh is
What
the
are
werewolf.
you, Lucas?
100%.
Hey?
What are you?
Also werewolf.
He's the werewolf.
Or is.
Right, I'm putting that near my card, but I'm not the robber
this is
anymore, so I'm not
untrue.
putting it on it.
All I'll say is I did wake up during the night.
It's definitely Blake because he was the drunk and he's now taken the.
How do you know that he was the drunk?
'Cause he told us.
But the drunk doesn't know he's the drunk.
The drunk knows he's
He
the
does.
drunk. He
No, he doesn't
end
know
the
what
night
his
as
current
the
one
drunk.
is.
The drunk ends up in the
He
middle no
forgets
matter
what
what.
his thing because you give out your card and then you take one and you forget. what your card is. That's why.
That's not true.
The drunk ends up in the middle no
Fuck
matter
off.
what at the end of the night.
Yeah, but he can't be saying that this card is the drunk because it's not.
No, he
the
said
drunk
this is
was
cards
in
the
the
drunk.
middle, because that's
where
where
I
he
swapped
swapped
it.
with the drunk, but he doesn't know what he
Josh
is
is the
now.
fucking werewolf. I'm telling you.
I just don't know
guys,
what
he's
one
the
I am.
werewolf. 100%.
He could be the werewolf because he
I'm-
didn't seem very.
Well, then,
confident
yeah.
in the fact that he
I'm
was
not
the drunk.
lying.
So Blake is the other werewolf and he's trying to throw Josh under the bus.
Sorry, what?
trying to
Surely
stick out the
yeah,
dog.
Right, he knows that he is. See, Josh has even accepted the fact that
Yes.
he's the werewolf.
You can't be the drunk. You could have started as the drunk.
Oh, okay.
Did you start as the drunk?
I am now the werewolf.
Did you start? Are you saying you started as the drunk?
He's the fucking werewolf. I'm telling you.
Blake is saying he started.
Yeah. Oh, who he is, yeah.
Blake is saying he started as the
1
drunk.
minute
I'm
remaining.
just
Who are
saying.
you? We're down.
Yeah,
Well,
who are you
started
then,
as the
Lucas?
drunk. Who are you?
Who am I?
Yes. Who are you?
I'm Lucas.
You're wasting your vote.
Surely,
Yeah.
surely in the last minute you can give us some information.
If you must be the
I'm-
he must be the Tanner.
farmer, you have to be
He
the
could be.
Tanner, the Seer, or the Troublemaker.
Josh the werewolf.
Could be
I'm
Tanner again.
pretty-
We've already accepted
I'm not the
that.
Blake
Tanner.
has
I'm the
got to be the
troublemaker.
I'll be the troublemaker.
Alright, so then who did you trouble?
Actually, no, I don't think Blake is the werewolf because he had to read the card.
Who did you troublemaker?
Only 30 seconds.
I just make sure that
It's
we
Lucas. It's Lucas.
I reckon he's tanning again.
No,
put the werewolf
I
on
swapped
Josh.
it.
This is why
I
I
reckon
didn't
Blake's
want to
Tanner.
reveal who I swapped with the robber. Because I figured someone would do it because I swapped with Luke.
I think Luke's the werewolf.
So I was villager, right?
Yes.
See,
And I swapped to those two.
motherfuckers.
Yeah, so I go first though. So I'm the villager now. Luke is now the robber, or was, and then you
Josh Rob.
trouble-made them. So
Yeah.
who's
3,
robber
2,
now?
1. There you go.
That's there,
Time is
that's
up.
there.
Everyone. 3, 2, 1. Vote.
I'm going Lucas. What, that's
Yeah,
3 to
Lucas.
Lucas?
Blake.
3 to Lucas, yeah. Oh wait, are you voting Blake?
Blake, yeah.
Oh, Blake.
Voting
So,
Blake. Two each.
who's voting who? So,
Blake.
hands up for Luke. So,
Between
who's...
the two of them, I think Lucas.
Whoa!
Alright, so it's Lucas then.
Well, I win.
No, you don't.
Yes.
I'm just saying it's not me.
Oh, I
Trusting
thought
that I
you
was the villager.
I told you
I
Luke.
was waiting for that fucking
So, are you
troublemaker
the
to
Tanner
come up
then?
because I knew
Yeah.
it was coming.
Well played.
I started as a drunk.
Really?
So Josh was
I
yeah.
don't know, but it's
When I
like,
saw that
I just
fucking
love-
werewolf come out, I was like, God damn it.
All I
So
loved
what
was
were
at
you?
the
Were you the
start.
drunk?
I started
Lucas
as a
just
drunk.
goes,
Yeah, so you grabbed that
Josh
from
is a
there.
werewolf.
Josh is 100% a werewolf.
Everyone.
And then it goes, close your eyes. Werewolves, open your eyes. Me and him just look at each other, and I nearly pissed myself off.
I didn't know that was a time.
Yeah.
Everyone. Close your eyes. Werewolves.
Shut up, kid.
Wake up and look for other werewolves. If there is only
Keith's a
one
werewolf.
werewolf, you may look at a card from the center.
Keith, your eyes look so good.
Alright, silent from now.
Werewolves, close your eyes. Seer, wake up. You may or two of the center cards.
What the fuck is that?
Seer, close your eyes. Robber,
Robert.
you may exchange your card with another player's card.
Lucas?
Just
Card. Troublemaker, wake up. You may exchange cards between two other players. Wake up.
I thought it'd be a really, really,
Alright,
really fun
so-
time to fart.
Alright.
So that was you that ripped
Yeah. I was like, this will be good content.
So who was the drunk? That's because the drunk can tell us
Who
where
did
the middle
this?
is.
Me.
Put that
Josh
there.
did it straight
So
away.
the Seer, I can see it.
Oh, okay, cool, done, easy.
So were you the Tanner?
Were you the Tanner?
No,
Or
Yes. So yes, he is.
I'm not the Tanner.
Alright.
I don't
Well,
know. That's what I'm saying. Who
I
put this
look
on my
at
That's
card?
Villager.
something the Tanner would say.
Me, because I could look at your card, so I looked at your card. And put it on
I'm
there.
just. That's
Josh
a,
is fucking sus. That's all I'm
I
saying.
didn't put him on your thing. It's just.
I
Wait,
don't-
just sitting-
who was the drunk?
Josh is sus.
Who was the drunk? Was there a drunk? No one was a drunk. So the drunk is somewhere in the middle, but we don't know
Robber?
because it always ends up in the middle.
Does anyone want to claim anything before we go any further?
Well, I claim Villager.
I claim Seer.
So basically, just Lucas or.
I made some trouble.
Alright, so
But
wait,
it-
yeah, don't reveal it just yet.
Yeah.
I don't think he is the troublemaker because I'm not actually the villager. I'm the troublemaker.
No, you're not.
Yes, he is. Because
100%.
I'm the humble villager.
He's definitely sus.
He's not the troublemaker.
Werewolf.
He's big sus.
And I'm gonna say
So
Dozer is actually the werewolf because I was the villager.
I didn't even remember my card. I just thought farting would be funny.
I'm not the
Yes.
Tanner though.
He is the Tanner.
This.
Jess
That-
is
that
quiet
may-
again, so that's going on Jess's card.
yeah, and she didn't claim Insomniac
Yeah.
or Robber. when
Was
she
anyone the
showed up.
Insomniac? Did
Me.
anyone wake up? What did you end the night as then? If you
Insomniac.
started as the Insomniac and you finished the night as the Insomniac?
Yeah.
I call
Yeah, no,
100%.
no one cares.
You're supposed
what I
to,
am,
aren't you?
So they left my
No,
card
because
alone.
someone could have changed.
Because I was the troublemaker
Oh.
and I
You could have changed.
may
your
have
card.
changed your card.
No, you didn't, because I had Insomniac.
Okay.
Alright.
Guys, don't vote for
So
me.
I
I'm the
think
werewolf.
Lucas,
Fucking
I think
mind.
Lucas was trying to see if Jess is lying.
I was trying to see if Jess is lying. I trust her.
Yeah.
I genuinely think it's Dozer.
I would not like.
Because I was testing
You're
Lucas
not-
out.
Then who did you roll?
I am though.
Vote for
You
me.
can't
I
start.
literally robbed
I
Yeah,
looked
so
at
who
your
did you
card.
give the robber to?
several people.
He's the Tanner.
You
He's
can
trying
only
to get
rob
people
one.
to vote
It's
for
a
him.
Tanner, yeah, fuck
Yeah.
it. Leave your card there, we're just gonna swap it
He's the
back.
fucking Tanner.
He's going all sweaty.
Do you know like?
Well, to be fair, I am sweating a bit.
She's very.
I kind of want
Josh
to
is
keep
so
who I
sus.
actually troublemaker a secret because it's pretty fun.
Josh is not Seer.
We
Well,
got-
I actually think this is where it is. Obviously, the
I don't
middle
know, I
cards
think-
could swap around a bit, but
Yeah.
yeah.
What happens if there's two werewolves in the middle?
If we
Yeah.
vote for the middle, we
Point
win.
You have
If
to
we
vote
vote
for
someone
them.
else out, we lose. Unless it's the.
right now, everyone is saying you're the werewolf.
Vote for me then.
What are you going to say you
I'll
are?
vote for
Vote for me?
He sounds like a Tanner.
So
Yeah,
you
I'm
saying
saying
you
he's a
are
Tanner.
the
You're the
werewolf?
Tanner.
I'm
You
the
looked at your
Tanner.
card.
You didn't fucking do that though.
Yes, I did.
Why?
Yes, but
Why?
because he's the Tanner, he has to convince people to vote for him. So
Yeah,
that-
I know.
Doris is asking us to vote for him.
Guys, public
As the
service
werewolf- as the
announcement.
werewolf.
I was the Seer. I looked at Blake's card, and he was the Tanner.
He sounds like the werewolf.
I feel like they could
No,
both be
it's-
werewolves back
He
each other
sounds
up.
like a werewolf right now.
Yeah, I did.
But they
Faking
wouldn't
the
know the
Seer's
I
seer.
know.
the card.
Yeah, they wouldn't know that the seer was in the middle. That's the only thing.
But we don't though. What?
Unless.
I'm the Seer,
Josh.
and I looked at the card.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
no.
believe him.
But yeah, I believe Josh. Actually, I was going to say unless he was a lone
I'm trustworthy.
werewolf and sort of
Blake isn't.
Seer in
Josh
the
is
middle,
not
then
the
he wouldn't
werewolf.
know what Blake
Then
was.
Blake, if you're saying you're not the
Josh is
Tanner, who
not
are you
Blake.
saying you were?
I was a robber. I've already
Then who did you
robbed.
Then who
fucking
did you
rob?
rob?
I don't know the middle. I robbed from the middle.
You don't rob the
rob the
middle,
middle.
so you're the
Oh.
fucking Tanner. Shut up. You're out of this round.
And could you look at your car at the end? Like that's the part of the robber.
I look at my car.
You look at the card at the
When
end.
you rob
It's the
the
robber,
card,
you rob, and then you look at
you
what you
are.
are.
Mark it for yourself.
40 seconds, you're about to be ejected from the spaceship.
Yeah, vote for
What do
me.
you do?
I'll go down sinking in my ship.
Okay, so vote Dozer first, who no, kidding.
Did you say ship or shit? when all of our eyes were closed, you probably could have shit yourself.
He definitely turtlenecking.
I thought that was really funny.
Oh, it was.
I'm willing to bet he was werewolf, locked eyes with whoever the other one was, and then farted. That's why.
But he actually like shit himself when he saw that Blake was
Any
the other
last
way.
words?
So what? If you don't want to get voted off, and you're saying you're the werewolf,
No, vote for me.
if you're saying you're the werewolf,
Sure.
who's the other werewolf?
Vote for me.
Yeah, so it's
He's the
Rob.
werewolf. 100% werewolf.
Time is up.
The other one's
3, 2.
2, 1. Vote.
Yeah, I fucked up.
Do you want to know what I did as the troublemaker? I swapped you two. And that's what I wanted. Oh, that fucking sucks.
So that's why you're like, oh, I got up to some trouble.
No, well, I don't look at their cards.
Yeah.
Jess is another werewolf.
We thought
told you she was fucking quiet.
She was too quiet.
Hello everyone. Thank you all again for watching. If you like that, please like, comment and subscribe. Let us know what you'd like to see us play. Any feedback is appreciated. Down in the description we'll have any links to anyone that was playing today. Other than that, it's time to leave the station. Goodbye.